Hello everyone, I'm Eric and this is my wife Amber. Today we have some exciting news to share with you on this video. As you may know, I own a company called Rockstar Computers. The company is my pride and joy. I spend most of my time there by choice, and I love my work and taking care of people. We take care of our customers and our customers take care of us. They've given us a great life. I have a great home. I live in a great area. I have my 2 daughters and my secret baby on the way that we don't know what it is until Friday. But all in all, I'm extremely happy with my life and the life that we have been provided by our customers. And we take care of our customers the best way possible, hands down, no matter what. We started Rockstar Computers because there was a need for customers to be able to repair their devices instead of just replace them. Device replacement has an impact on our global health for recycling. It also is just senseless and costs people lots of money that they don't need to spend. Repair is a cost-effective, fast way of getting your stuff back on the road without having to pollute the environment or just make large corporations extremely rich. You can also help out local people like me all around the world by using repair and not just replacing your devices when you don't need to. So we created Rockstar Computers because we saw a need for people to be able to repair their electronics instead of just replacing them. And we wanted to do all of that in one building. So I partnered up with a man named Ramsey and we started our first store back in 2010. The industry rapidly grew, rapidly changed, and it's ever changing. We love what we do. We are very passionate about what we do, and we want to stay in the industry. We don't want to leave the industry, but because of changes, it's made it difficult for us to make a profit always. So a lot of things are being taken out of our hands daily. And some of those things are like backdoor deals between insurance companies and carriers, or manufacturers and companies, or manufacturers and insurance companies, or the manufacturers themselves are trying to make devices that don't break every day. And so it seems like with all of those things and the army of retail employees that work for the carriers and for the manufacturers and everyone else, that it seems like everyone is against us in our industry. And that shouldn't be. We should actually have support because we're doing good by not making people spend needless money, and we're doing good by helping the environment with repair, and we're also keeping money local. So instead of you spending your money somewhere where your money goes away, you spend your money local with someone like us, and the money comes back into your local economy, and it's win-win for everyone. So with the industry changes that are out there and that are afoot, I've been saying this for a couple of years, but pretty much our industry is going to go down, and there's just not going to be a way for really too much for anyone to be able to do about it. So I came up with the best idea I could, and that was like looking into maybe creating an organization or an alliance, or possibly some sort of association with other repair facilities. We tried and tried and tried to get that off the ground, but nobody could take time from their important businesses to just jump into working on a nonprofit organization. It's very tough to get someone to do that when a lot of us are just one-man armies that are sitting in a store waiting for you to come in and repair your device. So we tried our hardest and we couldn't get anything off the ground. Rockstar Computers was at 3 stores, and I was very, very busy at the time. And I started looking into a way to better serve my customers while giving myself a little bit more job security and being able to stay with the industry. And the solution that I came up with was joining a network of stores. And The network that we are here to announce today, very, very excited to announce, is we are converting our stores over to a brand called CPR, or Cell Phone Repair. Cell Phone Repair is a company that's been around just as long as we have, but they grew very, very fast by creating processes and systems to better serve their customers. They were able to grow to over 450 stores before I actually found out who they were. So it's very exciting when I found out who they were, because I wanted to be a part of something larger that could keep us in the industry as long as possible to serve our customers. And so we're very excited to announce that we are going to be 495 and store 496 of the CPR network. That is the largest network in North America for repair stores, and we are very excited to go forward with them and be able to have access to a lifetime warranty for our customers that's nationwide. We have 60 more markets than our nearest competitor as far as coverage goes in the US. We'll be able to have access to national accounts, school accounts, so educational accounts, B2B accounts, and possibly national OEMs, like national manufacturers, that will be able to give us more work so that we can stay in the industry longer. And also, while the industry is changing for those customers, we won't have to worry about that so much, because we'll be getting business from other revenue streams. We'll also be able to sell devices still, which some of our competitors are not able to do under their franchises. So that's why we love CPR, because of the versatility that it provides us and the same type of way of life, if you will, that Rockstar Computers exemplified every day. So we're not going to change too much. We're going to be able to serve our customers in just about the same way, but with some structure, some support, and some guidelines that will help the customer experience as well as the staff experience. And we're excited to be able to implement these changes and these systems and these processes to be able to grow our family, grow other families, change lives, and just be better all around. We thank you so much for all the support the last 8 years with Rockstar Computers, and we hope to be able to serve you in the future as CPR. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.